Welcome to Saitechinfo channel, my dear students. In this tutorial, we will be discussing about the criteria of similar triangles. See, whenever you look at the pyramid, you can easily identify the shape of that pyramid, and when you look at from one side, you can easily identify the triangle. And we are going to discuss about this similar triangle and what are the conditions of similar triangles and what are the criteria of these similar triangles. So in this session, our SciTech students Pranav and Aswin will be discussing the concept map of these similar triangles. So let me invite first Pranav. So Pranav, you can carry on.
The display ஒழுங்கா வரல சார். The screen அப்படியே ஸ்டில்லா இருக்கு. Now we have two similar triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now we can see the similar triangles, the corresponding angles in these similar triangles. Angle A is corresponding to angle B. This is called double-headed mark. This is used to mark corresponding angles or corresponding sides. Angle A is corresponding to angle P. Angle B is corresponding to angle Q. Angle C is corresponding to angle R. In similar triangles, corresponding angles are equal. Now we are going to see corresponding sides in these similar triangles. Side AB is corresponding to side PQ. Side BC is corresponding to side QR, and side AC is corresponding to side PR. In similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional to each other. Third point, AAA is a criteria which is used to prove congruence in two triangles. Now, in first point, we have seen all the corresponding angles. So hence, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Hence, the triangle ABC is corresponding to triangle PQR by the criteria of angle, which is triple A.
Okay, very good. So here, even though we have three angles are equal, but in fact even two angles are equal, we can call it a triple A, because according to angle sum property, the third angle should be equal, is it not? For example, that is x plus y we know, and the third angle is 180 minus these things. Okay, so when x and y are equal, then the third angle should be equal, and that is why even two angles are more than sufficient to describe the triple A. Are you able to understand? Right. So over to Aswin.
Next, the remaining similarities are SSS, SAS, ABC. First of all, we will see SSS. SSS, side. AB divided by PQ. That is, AB is proportional to PQ. First of all, then to remove proportionate, we have to add a constant. That is, AB is equal to K into PQ. If we bring the PQ left side, AB divided by PQ is equal to K. Similar to BC divided by QR is equal to AC by PR. Next, angle side SAS. Is equal to AC divided by PR. One side is similar. Next, angle A is equal to angle P. That is included angle. Then another side AC is equal to AC divided by PR. Next, ABC. Area.
What is that? ABC, that is the area and then?
Based on area-based criteria.
Area-based criteria, okay. So that is a short form you can have, ABC, area-based criteria. Where, what is RAT, RAT?
Ratio of area of triangles are equal to...
So ratio of area of two similar triangles, okay.
Is equal to ratio of their square of corresponding sides.
Okay.
That first, in this two triangles, we take a triangle ABC as triangle area A1 and a triangle PQR as A2. A1 divided by A2. That is, A is equal to AB divided by PQ whole square. Is equal to BC divided by QR whole square. Is equal to CA divided by PR whole square.
Okay. So, are you comfortable with this concept, and how do you find it, and how it is going to be useful to you, Aswin?
Sir, I think the concept map will be easy to memory these SAS, these similarities.
Okay. So thank you guys. So thank you very much for watching this video presented by our students. Thank you.